The Gold IRA market has entered a new phase. Investors are no longer starting with sales calls or even Google rankings. They are starting with ChatGPT, Gemini, Google AI overviews, and Reddit discussions to decide which Gold IRA and gold bullion companies they trust before ever contacting a provider. That means the real competition is no longer just search rankings. The real competition is recommendation stage visibility. The moment AI systems decide which brands deserve trust signals and which brands get associated with risk, fees, scams, or confusion. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of Siteworks Studio. We help companies improve how they appear across Google, AI Answers, and the public source environments buyers use before making decisions. At Siteworks Studio, we focus on how citation architecture and AI retrieval systems shape recommendation behavior, especially in trust-sensitive industries like Gold IRA and gold bullion investing. Here's what changed in the retirement investment market. People researching a Gold IRA are asking AI systems questions like, which Gold IRA companies are trustworthy? Are Gold IRA rollovers risky? What are the hidden fees? Is physical gold bullion actually safe for retirement diversification? And AI systems answer those questions by pulling from public sources across the web, including Reddit threads, comparison articles, reviews, forums, and financial discussions. That means a single visible discussion about hidden fees or rollover confusion can shape investor perception before a brand ever enters the conversation. The issue is no longer just content creation. The issue is whether AI systems trust the sources connected to your brand. One of the most important findings from this campaign was that positive brand content alone was not enough. The Gold IRA company already had educational pages and informational assets, but AI systems were still forming opinions using third-party conversations and public trust signals. So the campaign focused on citation architecture, the mix of owned and third-party sources influencing how AI systems describe a company. Siteworks Studio tracked AI share of voice, brand mentions, citation sources, recommendation visibility, and public trust discussions tied to Gold IRA and gold bullion investing. The goal was not simply to increase mentions, the goal was to improve the quality of the sources AI systems repeated back to investors. That distinction matters because presence is not the same as recommendation. The campaign monitored how platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Google AI overviews referenced Gold IRA providers during high-intent searches. What the team discovered was critical. AI systems consistently relied on public discussions about rollover risks, storage rules, custodians, scam concerns, fee transparency, and provider credibility. So instead of focusing only on blog production, the strategy strengthened the public conversations AI systems were already using. That included improving visibility across financial forums, comparison discussions, review environments, Reddit conversations, and high-authority pages discussing Gold IRA and gold bullion investing. This shifted the brand's citation footprint closer to the trust signals retirement investors were actively looking for. One of the strongest signals from the case study was how tightly AI visibility and traditional search visibility were connected. Over a 3-month campaign involving more than 500 citation-bearing engagements, the brand achieved a 100% increase in brand mentions across large language models, 342 keywords ranking in Google's top 10, and 21 influenced citation pages shaping AI answers. The important takeaway is not the raw numbers alone. The bigger insight is that stronger citation quality improved how the brand appeared inside both search engines and AI-generated recommendations. Modern visibility is becoming a blended ecosystem where Google rankings, AI answers, and public trust signals reinforce each other. Here's what leadership teams should pay attention to. In categories like Gold IRA and gold bullion investing, buyers are making emotional and financial trust decisions before conversion ever begins. That means leadership teams need to think beyond traffic metrics. The stronger question is, what sources are shaping AI-generated trust around your brand? Because AI systems are increasingly acting as interpreters between public conversations and buyer decisions. If your citation footprint is weak, fragmented, or disconnected from high-intent investor discussions, competitors can dominate recommendation placement even if your website content is technically strong. That changes how marketing investment should be prioritized. The real shift here is not that AI changed search. The real shift is that AI changed how trust gets assembled before buyers take action. For Gold IRA and Gold Bullion brands, visibility is no longer only about rankings. It is about whether AI systems can confidently connect your brand to credible public evidence at the exact moment investors are deciding who to trust. And in high-stakes financial categories, that recommendation layer is becoming one of the most important competitive advantages in modern search.